Hi there, hope you're all well. I've got some purple paint here and I'm just going to paint some stripes across the page in a random manner. Not thinking about it, just being free, letting my mind go. Just putting down some colour. I've got some green here, exactly the same process. These will mix because I haven't allowed for them to dry, so you could allow these to dry and you will get a more uniform kind of colour. Going through your page without the mixing in the middle. I'm just going to let that dry. Right, so it's all dry there, and I'm going to get some paint in a lovely red colour. I'm just going to splatter it on to the page. Some more water on there. Get some lovely splatterings on there. Just going to paint around the edge for my border. Go around another colour for some contrast. This is real fun to do, splashing around. You might get it everywhere, but it's great fun. Okay, I'm going to let that dry, just see what that turns out like. So the painting's dried now, and what I'm going to do is get some black fine line pens, and I'm just going to draw through the page, crisscrossing over and making some shapes, and just see how that turns out. Rounding off the edges so there are no sharp corners, adding some small pieces in wherever I feel around some of the dripped paint. Just do whatever you want really, just put lines wherever you feel and just see what happens. Peel away the tape to reveal your lovely border. Leaves a lovely clean line all the way around, that's what you want. Just frames your picture really nicely. Just gives it that luxe kind of look. And there you have it, your beautiful watercolour abstract with a bit of ink on top. Hope you like this. Hope to see you again soon. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.